Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with ValuePenguin accounts and personalization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the ValuePenguin website. Locate the sign in button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. Click on the Login button to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up link. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. Choose a strong password that meets the website's criteria. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section. Here, you can customize your account preferences. Adjust the settings to suit your interests and needs. Explore the available personalization options provided by ValuePenguin. This may include selecting topics of interest or financial products. Be sure to save any changes you make. Log out of your account by clicking the Log Out option when finished. Now you are ready to enjoy a personalized experience with ValuePenguin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.